Imagine a small corner in your home. Maybe it's no wider than a hallway, maybe it's just a space under the stairs. For some people, that space is nothing more than where the washing machine sits. But with a little creativity, that small space can become a center of efficiency and comfort. A small laundry room that's neat, beautiful, and pleasant to use. Today, we're going to explore 20 smart ideas to make a small laundry room feel spacious, functional, and stylish. Not just a quick list, but a detailed guide you can actually apply in your home. We'll talk about the details, the reasons, and the clever tricks that make each idea worth trying. Number 1. Stackable washer and dryer. For many homes, the biggest challenge is limited floor space. A classic solution that has proven effective is stacking your washer and dryer vertically. This instantly frees up half the floor for something else, such as storage shelves or a folding table. Choose front-loading units for easy access, and make sure you leave enough room for ventilation. You can even use the side space for a slim rolling cart or build a tall cabinet with sliding doors. The result? Everything in your laundry area stays organized and you gain more room to move. Number 2. Fold-down drying rack. Drying racks can take up a lot of space. A practical alternative is a wall-mounted rack that folds down when needed and folds flat when not in use. Choose a minimalist wooden design or lightweight aluminum. Some models even have extra hooks for hangers, making them multifunctional. The key is to place it in a well-ventilated spot so clothes dry faster without cluttering the room. Number 3. Slim rolling cart. The narrow gap between your washer and the wall is often wasted space. With a slim rolling cart, you can store detergent, fabric softener, scent boosters, and cleaning brushes. Opt for water-resistant materials since laundry areas tend to be humid. The best part? You can pull it out whenever you need something, then slide it back into place without disrupting your workflow. Number 4. Overhead cabinets. Think vertically. Installing cabinets above your washer is a game changer for keeping things tidy. Use them to store rarely used items or backup supplies. Choose light-colored doors to make the room feel larger and add under-cabinet lighting to brighten up your workspace. Number 5. Countertop over machines. The space above your washer and dryer is often wasted. Adding a countertop there gives you an extra surface for folding clothes or holding laundry baskets. Choose water-resistant materials like high-quality laminate or solid surface. If you have front-loading machines, this design works perfectly without blocking access to the doors. Number 6. Under-sink laundry. For apartments or very small homes, placing your washing machine under the sink is a smart move. Choose a sink that's high enough or custom-built so the machine fits underneath. Use a curtain or sliding door to conceal it when not in use for a clean look. Number 7. Bright color accents. Color has the power to transform a room's mood. Even in a small laundry room, a bright accent wall or a colorful cabinet door can make it feel cheerful. Soft pastels add a gentle touch, while sunny yellows bring a burst of energy. Make sure the space is well lit so the colors truly pop. Number 8. Glass jar storage. Swap plastic packaging for labeled glass jars to store detergent and fabric softener. Not only does it look beautiful, but it also makes it easier to see when you're running low. Display them on open shelves or inside glass front cabinets for that curated magazine-worthy look. Number 9. Sliding barn door. If your laundry area is in a hallway or near the kitchen, a sliding barn door saves space compared to a swing door. Pick a finish and color that match your home's interior so it feels cohesive. Number 10. Hidden behind cabinet doors. For a minimalist look, hide your machines behind cabinet doors. When closed, it looks like any other part of the house instead of a utility space. This works especially well if your laundry area shares space with your kitchen or living room. Number 11. Vertical hanging rod. Install a vertical hanging rod in the corner to keep freshly ironed clothes wrinkle-free. Use matching hangers for a consistent, organized appearance. Number 12. Wall hooks for ironing board. An ironing board can be an eyesore if left standing around. Wall hooks keep it neatly stored and out of the way. Place it near an outlet so you can set up quickly when needed. Number 13. Mirror illusion. A large mirror can instantly make a small laundry room feel twice as big. Position it opposite a light source for the best effect. Mirrors also help reflect light, making the space brighter. Number 14. Pull-out folding table. A pull-out folding table built into a cabinet is a lifesaver for small spaces. Use it when you need it, then tuck it away. Lightweight but sturdy materials make it practical without overloading the cabinet structure. Number 15. Compact corner design. Corners often go unused. Place a compact washer or angled shelving there to maximize every inch. Add corner lighting to make it feel more open and inviting. Number 16. Open shelving. Open shelves make everything easy to see and reach. Use uniform baskets or bins to keep it looking neat. Natural wood adds warmth to a space that's usually purely functional. Number 17. Under stairs laundry. The space under your stairs is valuable real estate. With a bit of remodeling, it can become a hidden, efficient laundry nook. Use sliding doors or curtains to conceal it when not in use. Number 18. Hidden pull-out hampers. Laundry hampers can clutter a room. Store them in pull-out drawers instead. Have separate bins for whites, darks, and colors to make sorting easier. Number 19. Wall-mounted ironing station. A wall-mounted folding ironing board is perfect for small spaces. When folded, it lies flat against the wall, almost invisible. Some models even have built-in LED lights for extra visibility. Number 20. Maximize natural light. If possible, make sure your laundry room has a large window. Natural sunlight not only saves electricity, but also helps reduce dampness and odors. Use sheer curtains to keep privacy while still letting the light in. A small laundry room doesn't have to mean limited potential. With smart planning, every corner can serve a purpose. Every inch can add value. From hidden storage to natural lighting, these ideas prove that efficiency and beauty can go hand in hand. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next smart home ideas.